just in front of us, a person whom we are judging, a particular thing, a particular machine, a particular tool, or any object which has mass can be a given object. So, what is our thought about that? What is our inner feeling about that particular object? What is our final decision regarding that? Whether it is a good thing, whether it is a bad thing, whether it is useful, whether it is not useful. Our judgment regarding a particular object is called as our attitude. So, attitude creates the values of a particular individual. Or attitude is something which is related with values. Now, let's see what are the three components which creates attitude or which has major influence in developing the attitude of an individual. Now, next is what are the components of attitude or what all things creates attitude to a behavioral sense in a person. The first thing is the cognitive component. Cognitive component is the opinion or belief of a particular person towards a segment or towards a particular thing. So it is a segment where an individual develops a particular opinion or belief about an object. The second segment is the affective component. So in this affective component, the individual creates emotional or feelings towards that object. So first is I will be having a belief or an opinion about that object. On the basis of that belief or opinion, I will be creating an emotion. I will be having an emotion or a feeling towards that particular object in affective component. And the third component, my emotion or feeling will be converted to behavior. And that is called as a behavior component. So I'll be having a opinion about something. I'll be converting that opinion to a belief or emotion. And then it will be converted to behavior about that towards that object. These are the three components of attitude. Now the last thing is the formation of attitudes. That is what all institutions or which all group of people decides in developing what a person's attitude should be. So those parties or people who are into developing the attitude of an individual. The first thing is mainly through his personal experience. ഒരാൾക്കുണ്ടാകുന്ന പേഴ്സണൽ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസിൻ്റെ ബേസിലാണ് അയാളുടെ ആറ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡ് അയാൾ ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. മേ ബി ദ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് വിത്ത് എ സ്ട്രേഞ്ചർ, മേ ബി ദ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് വിത്ത് ഹിസ് ഫ്രണ്ട്. Based on that, he will be developing an attitude that whenever this happens, this will be like this. Second is association with a group of people, with a group of individuals. He will be developing an attitude which is related with them. Family. If a person belongs to a particular family, then the attitude of that family will be transferred to that individual also. Peer groups, that is friends and co-workers. അവരിലുണ്ടാകുന്ന ആറ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡ്, അവരുടെ തോട്ട്സ് എന്താണ്, അവരുടെ ബിലീഫ്സ് എന്താണ്, അത് ഈ ആളിലേക്കും അത് ട്രാൻസ്ഫർ ആകും. Then the common attitude of the society which he belongs to, and also the individual personality factors of an individual also creates attitude in him.